Welcome back to Coins from the Crypt. Bitcoin did give us that short opportunity. We can see that the price did come up, touch this rectangle, and once it did, it came down to this 0.5 region that we had outlined. If you've been following along, you know that once I start to hit targets, I like to take 50% profit, move my stop loss at price entry, so that way I can't lose. And once I start to see the trade going against me considerably, I close it out completely, I take all profit, and I just wait and reassess, and I wait for the next trade. It looks like we did get a meaningful bounce off this 0.5, and it had enough momentum to take us up above the rectangle and now start to build support above it here. As long as we can see support be held here and the bulls maintain this bullish posture, my short-term target is this red rectangle between 50,000 and 56,000. We can see that if we look through Bitcoin's history, we can see some confluence here with resistance and support. But the main reason that this is my target is because if I take the fib and I draw this time, I draw it from the top to the bottom of the move. We can see that this red rectangle falls perfectly between the 0.5 and the 0.618. Generally, that's how I like to get my targets for my trades. Other people may have other indicators and tools they use. I happen to find cryptocurrency respects the Fibonacci retracement tremendously, so I try to use it when I can. Where I would start to flip bearish and start to look for short opportunities again is if we start to see candle bodies closing below this rectangle here. If the price action comes down here and starts closing below here, it will start to look like a failed move. And from there, I'll start eyeing short opportunities. But as of now, we can see that Bitcoin is starting to look bullish. I mean, I don't want to get my hopes up and jump to anything too soon, but we are due for a bounce, and this is looking like it could be it. And my short-term target, as I've stated, would be this red box here. And midterm, I am still bearish. So once we do get up here, I am still more leaning towards a rejection. But it's far away. It's hard to tell right now what the market conditions will be like once we do get there. So we'll have to take that as it comes. As of right now, my immediate target is that red rectangle, and I'm hoping that this green rectangle below us here is held as support. So we'll take a dive back in at this tomorrow, and we'll see where we're at.